Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn about nematodes. So what are nematodes? They are among the most abundant animals on Earth. They exist as parasites in animals and plants. The majority of them are small predators or saprophytes. They have remarkable powers of reproduction. They can also cause disease of great importance to humans, domestic animals, insects, and also wild plants. Do you know they also known as roundworm? Remember, nematodes are important pests of many crops. It also provides powerful genetic models to study the basis of development, aging, and many diseases including cancer.
Next, we go to the life cycles of nematodes. Nematodes have three main life cycle stages, which are eggs, larvae, and adults. Adult worms infect divinity hosts, which those animals in which sexual development of the worm occurs, whereas larva stages may also be free-living or parasitized intermediate hosts or invertebrate vectors. As we can see, this image displays the nematode bacterium complex cycle. Infective juveniles seek out an insect host and enter into the body cavity through openings. A symbiotic bacterium is released, which multiples and rapidly kills the host. Nematodes feed on the bacteria and liquefy the insect host. They mature into adult male or females and leaves the host. The cycle is completed within a few days. Nematodes' growth all depend on the conditions inside the host. This is the process of molting and involves two steps. Firstly, synthesis, creating a new cuticle by the hypodermis. This is when the larva is enclosed by the new cuticle with the old cuticle. Secondly, excitement, process where the old cuticle is loosened and fractured, followed by the larva wiggles out of the old cuticle's casing.
These are the common characteristics to all nematodes despite of their structural complexity. They are elongated or cylindrical shape, tapered at both ends, bilaterally symmetrical, vary in size, can be microscopic to almost 1 meter, triploblastic, pseudocoelomate, unsegmented without any appendages, vermiform and colorless organisms, and dioecious. Most nematodes possess complete nervous system, reproductive system, digestive system, and excretory system.
Pathogenesis of nematode. The first species is Trichuris ticura, which invade the intestinal mucosa by a thin and thread-like end on tissue secretion, and this will cause petechial hemorrhage and inflammation in the intestinal mucosa at the site of attachment. And the lumen of appendix might be blocked by case of severe worm load. The next one is Trichinella spiralis. The infection causes trichinosis through larvae encysted in the muscle tissue. The larvae enter the muscle cells, manipulate the host cells according to its need and produce a nurse cell. Then a fine net forms around the nurse cell and host lose its myofilament. And the symptoms of these infections are fever and muscle pain. The third one is Ascaris lumbricoides. The infection causes ascariasis that has two phases. The first phase is migrating larva causes pathological lesion, which depends on the sensitivity of host. Larva cause pneumonia with cough and allergic symptoms. Second phase, when adult worms produce trauma in host tissue and block small intestine. This also causes malnutrition and growth retardation in children. The fourth one is Toxocara canis, which the embryonated egg excreted by dog will hatch in small intestine and it will penetrate the mucosa. Larvae will enter systemic circulation and spread to any organ. This will cause visceral larval migrants, and the symptoms include fever, eosinophilia, which depends on site and time larval migration.
Diagnosis of nematode disease. First is fecal examination. Microscopically identifying eggs in the fecal sample is the common method for diagnosing the presence of nematode disease. The concentration of nematode larvae from a fecal sample is measured using a Bellman testing method. Second one is the Scotch tape method. Pinworm eggs may be collected from the anal area by Scotch tape method, which is pressing the adhesive side of the piece of transparent tape to the skin around the anus of the person that suspect has a pinworm. As soon as the person awakened, and the tape will be detected under the microscope. The third one is the muscle biopsy, which is a muscle sample that were compressed between two glass plates and examined under a microscope at the low magnification.
So that's all about it about nematode. I hope you enjoy our video. Thank you.